Okay, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this times, we would like to talk about indirectly answered question. The TOEFL about the things, and let's go to the skill 6. The answer implied correctly. And then from the previous one, we have about the pronoun inference and also unstated detail question. Now for the skill 6 here, you have the answer implied detail correctly. You have to know more. This is indirectly answered or what we call tidak ternyatakan atau kita bisa bilang tersirat ya. Reading passage called conclusion from the detail and detail passage. There will be some vocabulary that you have to pay attention to here. The first that we are going to have is we have implied, inferred, and also likely, probably. So those are the way when you get the keyword from skill 6. If you found these questions like this, implied, inferred, likely, and probably, you can decide this is a skill 6 related to what implied detail questions. And then what are you going to do here? So to know the answer of this question, it is not directly stated. It's not directly stated in this passage. So you have to double understandings, or we have deeply understandings to get conclusions from these informations. Now you can see these examples related about the Hawaiian language. What are the questions? Which of the following is not probably Hawaiian words? Probably Hawaiian word. From this case, we can see this is related about skill 6, related implied detail questions here. We can get this one, two consonant never appear together. Berarti ada two consonant never appear. Kan malu belongs to because no consonants appears. Two consonants appears together. Mahi-mahi, Moana, and this is Maklea. Maklea, there is a consonant K and then consonant L here. So I think this is not belongs to the Hawaiian words because it can be informed two consonants never appear together. Jadi bisa disimpulkan ada dua konsonan yang ada di sininya ini yang menjadikan kalimat maklea tidak termasuk ini karena diinformasikan ada dua konsonan itu pasti tidak akan muncul dalam bahasa Hawaii. Okay, now let's continue to the next. This is about the keywords when you are going to get this one. It is implied in the passage, menandakan bahwa jawabannya tidak ternyatakan langsung, tapi harus draw conclusion based on the information on can be inferred, likely, probably. So you have to memorize to know, or to recognize this one, and then you know what are you going to do for your own treatment here. Then choose the keywords in the question, scan the passage after you know the skills, you know the treatment, scan related idea, carefully read sentence contains keywords, and then look for the answer could be true according to the sentence. Now let's go to the exercise for our practicing here. Let's go for number 1. It is implied in the passage that if kayak has two holes, then apa? Nah, it accommodates to refer. It accommodates to if kayak. Where is kayak formation here? You get this one? Yeah. Sometimes canoe that has been covered by generally two different types of foods and Eskimos so it can be informed, it accommodates to, right? Kalau itu ada two holes-nya berarti it accommodates to. Now let's go to this one. It can be inferred from the passage that an example of animals mentioned might be apa? Now the information might be here. We have whale. Yeah, the right answer. Animals mentioned might be whales. Where's the animal? You can get this one. You get this from the passage? Yeah. Animal mentioned might be a whale. Ya, karena di sini ada information the larger hunting larger animals that too big to be hunted in kayak. Kan? Kalau salmon ya small, right? Snake small, kangaroo impossible, whales no, right? Okay, now for the next until number 8, it's time for you to practice, yeah, for your improving your skill here, yeah. Which one is the right ones until number 8 here. Now I would like you to go to the next. This is the skill 7, yeah. Answer transition questions correctly. What does it mean here? So you are going to find the question related about preceding paragraph and also the following paragraph. You got the preceding paragraphs, what comes, yeah, what probably comes after reading the passage. Yeah. Before reading the passage. Preceding means like before reading the passage. So when you are going to get the questions preceding paragraphs, apa sih yang mungkin muncul sebelumnya gitu kan? Kesimpulan apa, conclusion apa yang akan muncul di paragraf sebelumnya related about the preceding paragraph after you got the passage. What about the following paragraphs? Berarti probably comes ya, for the followings after the paragraphs akan menjelaskan apa. Kalau preceding paragraph, paragraf sebelumnya kira-kira ngejelasin apa. So you can have your conclusion based on the passage provided there. So those are the names transition questions. Jadi ada preceding, ada following. Preceding berarti before paragraf itu apa yang dibahas. Kalau following paragraph, setelah paragraf itu apa yang dibahas. Berarti di akhir pola-pola jawabannya kalau preceding baca aja kalimat pertama di paragraf di basis tersebut. Kalau following, baca aja paragraf terakhir di ini. Jadi kita harus tahu treatmentnya. What are we going to do for the next years? And then let's see the example here. Preceding, another myth of ocean concerned Davy Jones, who in folk course is mean a spirited sovereign on the ocean of the deep. So the paragraph preceding in the passage most probably discusses. So we have a different traditional story from the sea. How can we understand about this one? Can see another myths of the ocean concern Davy Jones. Orang sudah bilang another, berarti sebelumnya sudah bilang myth-myth yang lain atau myth yang pertama, myth yang kedua gitu. Berarti apa? Ada perbedaan traditional story from the sea. Myth yang satu, myth yang kedua dan lain sebagainya. Berarti yang kita simpulkan the one. Kalau kita dengar precedings, another myth atau another blah blah, berarti pilihnya yang different blah blah blah. Jadi the one it is done. Now let's go to this one for the keywords here. How to identify the when you find the question preceding the passage probably, berarti indirect stated gitu kan answers-nya, tapi ada preceding. Nah preceding the passage menandakan bahwa itu transition. Skillnya skill 7, diminta apa sih yang muncul pembahasan paragraf sebelumnya. Nah, kalau what is most likely following the passage, ada kata following menandakan berikutnya apa. Apa yang diharapkan pembahasan berikutnya di where to find the answer will be found in the first line, like I have said before, in the first line of the passage for preceding question. But for the following question, you can found in the last line yeah, for the following question. You get this one, eh? Read the first line for preceding question and read the last line for the following question and draw conclusions. What comes before for the preceding and what comes after for the following, and then choose your best answer that is reflected in the first or the last line of the passage. Now let's go to the exercise 7 for your own improvement here. Now we can get this one. Another program instrumental is popularization of science was Cosmos. And another program. Nah, what the paragraph preceding this passage? Preceding, right? Berarti kira-kira apa sih ngebahas apa? Ada informasi another, berarti yang tepat adalah different scientific. Ya, scientific television series. Now, the paragraph following the passage most likely contains information what? Ada kata following this passage, berarti kira-kira ngebahas apa? Fokus ke kalimat terakhir. The principal writers, narrators, programs, ya, was Carl Sagan, noted astronomer, and Pulitzer winner author. Berarti related about Carl Sagan. What is the information related about Carl Sagan? Astronomer Carl Sagan shares this one. Yeah, the astronomer Carl Sagan. This is the correct answers that would be useful for you when you are going to get this one related about the following passage. Jadi kesimpulannya, kalau following passage tinggal mendapatkan kalimat terakhir untuk kita baca dan kita simpulkan, dan jawabannya yang tepat adalah C. Okay, for the next you can finish, yeah, and then we can discuss later in the virtual meetings or our meetings. Next meetings here until number 6. Yeah. Okay, it's time for you to improve for your exercise here. Make sure to focus, yeah, to have double understandings. Decide what treatment for each question. All for the sessions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.